I'm gonna give you the popsicle key.
No, you better not give me no popsicle, mom. You know I already know I don't like no popsicle. Stop. Ah, my wrist hurt. Am I back to life?
Come on.
Look. No! No! No, mama. I like girls.
Huh?
What the fuck had just happened?
You still watch your arm. Look, you got your arm in the sling. You got a cast
What
on
the
it. You broke it, remember?
You broke your arm, Braylon.
Baby, stop cussing.
I don't fucking know what to say. Oh, fuck. What the fuck, bro?
Baby,